So here we have the sliding glass, or the sliding door. We're going to need to take this guy off, pop these out, just like we did on the back. And then we'll remove this whole cargo mat and those two wheel wells and start going from there to get the floor leveled up to put insulation down.
Because you would see it, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's like a hooker's. Oh, push pins. No, they're still there. I mean, they're gone. Give me some credit, man. Okay, so this can all just look right out of there. So if you like, you're going to lean over there on the thing. Okay, so these back pieces, they just screwed in. Had a couple of connectors that held them, and these little guys here. So these were little plastic screw-ins that the bolts held onto. And I'd stick a razor blade in the disc that covered it, and popped it out, unscrewed those. I used a 6mm for those, but it's actually American, not a metric, but it worked. And then this whole piece just lifted out. So we've run out of slats. I could have swore we had counted appropriately, but I guess when I first looked at it, I didn't think we would need nearly as many as we did. We got 30 of these little 2-foot pieces of wood, and some of them I actually cut in half to get into these little skinnier spaces. But my wife has run off to Lowe's and just texted me that she is on her way back to save the day. She emptied out their bin. The folks at Lowe's are getting to know us quite well, and so hopefully we'll get this situated and finish this up here today. We really had to weight them down. Oh, the hero of the day has arrived, and she's arrived with more slats for us, so we can finish this up now. Excellent. Oh, look at that. That's sweet. Yeah. We should probably, what's that? Well done. Okay. Nope. I'm going to put 1 tube of glue. I'm down to 1 tube left. Since
we could probably use that one.
Oh, well, no, we're fine. We won't run it, at least for this. And I think with the foam, I may use the spray adhesive. I'm not sure I'm going to use this for the foam. What's that? It is perfect. I like it. Nice job. So thanks for watching our second video and our first floor series video installing the slats to level up the floor here. I hope this information is useful for you. It actually does take a lot of work making sure we're filming while we're doing this, but we learned a lot from watching other people do their videos, so we're hoping to kind of give that back to the community, if you will. Nobody's an expert on this. We're all just kind of in this together. So until next time, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment in the section below. I hope it was informational for you. Until next time, we'll see you later. Thanks.